Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now before we get into today's video, I just want to talk about my nail growth. Look how good my nails look. They look so healthy. I am really proud of my nails and how far they have come. If you've seen my videos from the beginning, you know that my nails were in bad shape, but I have been taking care of them, and I am very proud of my nails. But anyway, yes, so let's get right into today's video. So today's video, I will be using these full cover tips from AliExpress or Amazon. I'm not sure. Gotta double check. But these are, I believe, either long or extra long square tips. And I'm just doing the bend test. So it's bendable at the cuticle area and hard from the center to the tip, which is great. That's something that you want, the flexibility at the cuticle. And I believe these are just plastic, not gel. So as usual, I am going to be using my peel off base just because, like I always say, I do my nails very often. So, I prefer to just pop them right off once I'm done. Now for this design, we are going to be doing a Halloween, theme design with skeleton bones. Now I saw this all over Instagram and I was like, oh, these are so cute. I have to do it. So to apply these full cover tips, I'm going to be using my peel off base. And like I said, guys, this is just for me to pop them off. If you wanted them to last longer, you would obviously use an extend gel to make sure that they last longer, and you would buff the inside of the nail. So I'm just going to place my tips on all my nails and cure them for 60 seconds. Now, once I'm done applying my tips, this is how they look. Look how cute they look. Now, I'm not going to file or anything like that because I've already filed the free edge from the beginning, and I just wanted to see how it would look if I didn't file anything. So I'm going straight into the design, and I'm using my Nail Attic, what is it called? High Standards. Now, this is a black base with glitter on top. So it's not opaque, it's a sheer black. So I did go in with about 3 coats just to make it opaque. Or I could have honestly just used a black gel polish first and then went on top with this. But since I already started placing this color, I just said I don't mind placing, 3 coats on it. So that's what I did. I placed 3 coats of this polish and cured each coat individually for 60 seconds. And this is how they look. Ooh, I love it. Look how cute that black glitter looks, right? Oh my God, the shine is really beautiful. Nail Attic and Nail Reserve is definitely one of my favorite gel polishes, along with Madam Glam. And this is my favorite white, honestly. So this is Madam Glam white gel paint, and I'm going to take my dotter tool and basically make some dots with the white. I dab it first on my dish just to make sure I don't have too much white, that it's too bulky for the tip. When I place the dots, I don't want it to be too big and make a mess. So I place 2 dots first, and then I basically now line it. So I take my liner brush, and I'm going to go from the dots, from the outer side, if you can see what I'm doing, from the outer, and then basically, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going from out to in to out, and I'm making like a what is it, like a like I'm trying to basically visualize a bone and how the bone structure looks. So when I visualize a bone, it just reminds me of like a dog bone. And if you understand what I'm saying by that, you know what I'm trying to do here when it comes to the lines. So I'm going from outward, inward, and then outward again. And when I reach to the top, you'll see how it goes from like in the middle, it's inward, and then go back to the top, it's outward. If that makes any sense. I hope that I'm making some kind of sense here. But when I get to the cuticle area, I'm going to make a line, and that will make it outward. I hope I am explaining this where you guys can understand, but if not, you can see what I'm doing to make that bone. So like I said, you see I'm went inward with the lines. You can see what I'm saying. And so I continue to do that for the rest of the nails because I'm doing all the nails with this design. And I did 3 bones on each nail. And some of the nails I did like half a bone and then a full bone. Like this next part here is going to be a full bone. So that's why I'm doing 4 dots instead of the 2 that you saw previously. And then I'm going to do another 2 underneath that, and then leave it that way. So it's going to be in the middle is a full bone. Oh, actually, no. So the top is a half bone, the middle is a full bone, and the end is a full bone. But some of them I'll do half, and some of them I'll do full. You will see as you continue to watch the video. Now this is how they look after I'm all done. And guys, this was super, super easy. But for this design, I decided that I wanted to make these nails matte. So I'm using my Born Pretty matte top coat, top coating all of the nails for 60 seconds. And then I also wanted to make some drips. So I'm taking my Madam Glam True Fire Brick Red, and I'm going to make some sorry, not trips, drips at the cuticle area. And so I take my dotter tool and I'm just going to make like 4 dots. And I just place them like where I want the drips to begin and end, as you can see. So some of them are higher than each other, some of them are lower. That is just what's going to make that drip look more realistic. Now I'm going to go in with my liner brush and go around the cuticle area first, and then bring down the line and connect it to that dot to make that drip. And I'm also going to make, when I connect it to the next dot, you make sure that it's circular, so it looks realistic, like it's dripping, you know, because you want to visualize like how would something like paint, right? How would it look when it's dripping on a wall? And so that's what I visualize when I'm creating drips. And I thought this would be a great add-on for Halloween. So yes, so I continue to do this to all of my nails, and then I cure them for 60 seconds. And now, guys, here is the finished look. Um, I have to say, this is like by far one of the easiest Halloween designs ever. This cool skeleton drip look is really easy, even if you're a beginner, trust me, guys. And I love the fact that I chose matte for the skeleton. They look, you know, really realistic and they pop out. And I love my drips that is shiny. So let me know what you guys think. If there's any designs you would like me to do for Halloween, please let me know. But there's going to be a lot more Halloween designs coming up. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.